Tips and tricks. Multiplication tricks of 2 and 3 digit numbers. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have already subscribed, then please click on the bell icon to receive the notifications of my upcoming videos. To understand the 3 digit numbers multiplication trick, we need to understand the 2 digit numbers multiplication. Suppose we have to find out the product of these two numbers. The first step is to multiply ones places. So 8 into 4 is 32. 2 we will write in the answer and 3 we will keep aside as carry. Then in the second step, we have to multiply tens to ones and ones to tens. Then add the carry. So we will cross multiply. 5 4s are 20 plus 8 2s are 16, and we have to add the carry, that is 3. So we'll get the answer as 39. 9 we will write in the answer and 3 we will keep aside as carry. In the third and the last step, we need to multiply the tens places. So we multiply 5 and 2, then we will add the carry. So 5 into 2, then we need to add the carry to the product. So we'll get the answer as 13. This is the last step. Write the number 13 as it is. So the final product of these two digit numbers is 1392, 1392. If you practice this method, it will be much easier for you. So now let's move on to the 3 digit number multiplication. Suppose we have to find out the product of these two 3 digit numbers. In this case also, the first step is to multiply the ones places. So 3 into 8 is equal to 24. So 4 we will write in the answer and 2 we will keep aside as carry. In the next step, we need to multiply tens to ones and ones to tens. Same we did in the 2 digit multiplication trick. So 8 6 are 48. Then we will add 5 3s are 15. And also we need to take the carry. So we'll add 2 also. So we'll get the answer as 65. Five we will write in the answer and 6 we will keep aside as carry. The third step is somewhat tricky one. So in the third step, we need to multiply hundreds to ones, ones to hundreds, and both the tens together. Then we need to sum up all the numbers with the carry. So 8 2s are 16, 3 1s are 3, and 6 5s are 30. Then add the carry also. So we'll get the answer as 55. So 5 at the ones place we write in the answer, and at the tens place we will keep aside as carry. In the fourth step, we need to multiply hundreds to tens and tens to hundreds. So 5 2s are 10, then 6 1s are 6, plus we need to add the carry 5, and here comes the answer as 21. 1 we will write in the answer and 2 we will keep aside as carry. Now let's see the last step. In the fifth step, we need to multiply the hundreds places. So here comes 2 into 1. Then we have to add the carry to the product. And here comes the answer as 4. So this is the last step. We will write 4 as it is. So the product of these two 3-digit numbers is 41,554. So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, and do not forget to click on the bell icon.